Hello guys, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning. My name is Bramantio, and I am from class 7C. And how are you today? Well, I hope you are doing very fine today. So, today I'm going to explain to you about a material that's going to be very essential for you and also very useful for you. It's about a procedure text. So, is there any one of you know about procedure text? Well, if you don't know, then let me show you and explain to you about procedure text. So now, let me explain to you about the definition of the procedure text. Procedure text is the text in English that contains steps and objective to do something or to create some products. The function of the procedure text itself is to show the reader how to do or to create something through a successive steps so that they can achieve their goals. Using imperative sentences. For example, it's like cut the onions, put the bread in the stove. The next language feature is action verbs. So action verb is a verb that you can use to explain or to define someone activity or act. In the case of procedure text, you can use some action verbs like maybe cook or heat, boil, cut, and so on. So the next one is temporal conjunctions. The function of the temporal conjunction is to show the reader which timestamps it is, or to point out which step is going to do next. In the procedure text, you can use temporal conjunction in front of the steps. Like you can use like the word first, you can use like second, next, then, or finally. And the last language feature is adverbs, or in Indonesia means is kata keterangan. The function of adverbs is to explain to you about the detail of date, the detail of time, place, or accurate manner. Like in the procedure text, you can use it in the last sentence in the steps. So you can use maybe like for 5 minutes. You can use it like inside the oven, or you can use it like stir it gently, and so on and so on. So after we finish about the language feature of the procedure text, now let's move on and explain about the structure of the procedure text. So the structure of the procedure text itself is very easy to be remembered, and it's very easy for you to make it by your own. And basically, the structure of the procedure text can be sort as: first is the title or the goal. So in this step you need to define about the purpose or the product in the end of the procedure text, which is you can use the title, for example, is how to make an onion ring, or how to make a boiled eggs. The next step is ingredient and materials.
In this step, you need to define or explain about what is the things that you need to prepare to create the product. For ingredients, it may refer to some food like egg, bread, flour, and so on. And for about tools, you need to prepare like frying pan, knife, bowl, and so on, so on.
So the last structure of procedure tags is the steps. In the steps, it contains the sequence of instruction to make the product. So for the example, I'm going to give you the sample of the steps.
And now I'm gonna show you how to make fruit ice, including the procedure text.
So how about this material? Is there any question about it? I hope you all understand about this material, and I think that this material can be very useful for you in the future and also very useful for everyone else. And I think that's enough for today. Thank you for your attention. Stay safe and goodbye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.